Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Calm, Meditation and Sleep app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Calm is a mindfulness and relaxation app designed to help users manage stress, improve sleep, and enhance mental wellness. It offers a wide variety of guided meditations, sleep stories, breathing exercises, relaxing music, and masterclasses from mindfulness experts. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is designed for people of all experience levels, from complete beginners to advanced meditators. The app's main feature is its guided meditation library, covering topics like anxiety relief, focus, gratitude, and self-esteem. It also includes sleep stories, soothing narrations by well-known voices to help users fall asleep peacefully. Calm's daily meditation sessions and customized soundscapes make it easy to build a consistent relaxation routine, while integration with Apple Health allows users to track their mindfulness minutes seamlessly. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Calm's high-quality audio production, wide content variety, and visually soothing interface. The sleep stories and ambient sounds are particularly popular among users who struggle with insomnia or nighttime anxiety. The guided sessions help improve focus, reduce stress, and promote emotional balance when used regularly. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version offers limited sessions, and most of the premium content, including full meditation courses and exclusive music, requires a paid subscription. Some users also report that the app can feel repetitive over time, and downloading large audio files may take up significant storage. Additionally, Calm's benefits rely on consistent use, so results may vary depending on personal commitment. In summary, the Calm app may be worth using if you're looking for an effective way to reduce stress, sleep better, and build a mindfulness habit through guided meditation and soothing audio. However, if you prefer free alternatives or want deeper scientific sleep tracking, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.